What's good, fam? Okay, now that I've done what like 17-year-old YouTubers do and hooked you in, welcome to the channel. I'm SB Mitch. You can give me a follow on social media stuff, and you can subscribe to the channel for more goofy antics like this. Hello, pals. Today's box is definitely a first for the channel. I will say this. There's a lot of precursors that go into this box. So, as y'all know, I get boxes from Sole Supremacy. It's a membership program. I've been with them since like 2015. So I do have a good rapport with the actual company. So the owner of Sole Supremacy, Derek, reached out to me and said, hey, someone just sold us a collection of a bunch of SBs, and I have a lot of silver box and pink box SBs. Would you be interested in a box of all silver and pink box SBs? To which I said, yes, of course, because I know they're gonna be older pairs, and just by knowing how Sole Supremacy values the shoes that they put in boxes, older pairs are gonna put a lower value on them because of his firm belief that shoes are not long-term investments. So this was a no-brainer for me. I don't know what's in it. I just know that it was $3,100 plus $50 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of $3,150, which is an absurd amount of money to pay for just shoes. But hopefully there will be excellent value in this if you want to keep up. Along with Clarence, the counter, it's going to be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market based on size, condition, and other various factors that affect the value of a shoe. And keep in mind, because these shoes are older, Sole Supremacy puts a lower value on those because they're not as wearable as they once were, so the value on this box might be crazy. Now listen here, dinguses, it's not padded. This is just how Sole Supremacy makes their boxes. I need to stress that so much because I don't want to deal with idiots in the comments saying, bro, this box is padded. Pew, 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 pew. I'm an online idiot. They put lower value on shoes that are from like, I mean, these are all silver and pink boxes, so they're gonna be from like 2006 back to like 2003. So we're talking 15-year-old shoes, 16, 17, and so on and so forth. Now let's open the box and see what's going on here. I've never been this nervous to open a box before, just because it's a lot of money, and because I'm just excited to see what's in here. I hope there's boxes on all of them. Oh, there's a tape box in here. Oh, so it's not all silver and pink boxes. There's just a lot of silver and pink boxes. Huh. Well, there's an Asics, probably a throw-in. Gel Light 3 OG in a size US men's 10. So they're DS, whatever these are, size US men's 10. It says Piedmont Gray, Shamrock Green. I don't know if it's a collaboration or if it's just an OG colorway. Kinda cool, I guess. I'm not gonna waste much time on them because I just falsely advertised the video. So that's cool. Size 10, dead stock pair, Asics Gel Light 3. Hey, if you wanna buy those or any of the other shoes in this box, hit up my website today at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That website is sbmitch.com. Are the rest of these SBs? Okay, I'm gonna save the SBs for last because there are 3 non-SB boxes in here, which I was not expecting. 4 non-SB boxes. New Balance, size US 6.0, just says ML574ERD. Nope, this is a replacement box. This is a size US men's 9. Worn pair, 2004, I wanna say release. This is the original ray gun. I mean, if you remember the ray guns that came out a couple years ago, they were more of a tie-dye looking type thing. This is one of the classic SBs that I expected to see in this box. It's a size 9, it's in good shape. I mean, there's a little bit of discoloration and a little bit of heel drag, but not much. The shoe's in good shape. Because it is an older shoe, there probably will be some separation on the midsole and the toe box, which I can't tell right now, and I'm not gonna try to find out right now. But replacement box, our first SB is a ray gun size 9. Very cool. I gotta dig. I'm not peeking, I just need to dig, because I think there's a Space Jam 11 in here. Oh no, yep, okay. It's a size US men's 11, Air Jordan 11 Retro. This is a Winlike 82. Worn pair. There you go. I mean, it's a classic color blocked Jordan 11. Came out with the Winlike 96s. I believe this is to commemorate UNC. Not really sure, but man, these are in really great shape. There's just a little bit of discoloration on the outsole. Not much toe box creasing or anything. It does come with the original shoe trees, and they're just really lightly worn on the bottom. So there you go. Size 11, good size. Winlike 82, Jordan 11. Okay. There's another Jordan box in here I want to get out of the way. So, after this, there's like 6 SBs. This is a size 10.5 Jordan 1 mid. Dead stock pair, right? Or are these worn? I cannot tell. It'll say on the video whether these are worn or not, but it's a 10.5. These are the band mids. Mids made a huge comeback over the past couple of years, and this is one of the colorways that just did well because it's a classic Jordan 1 colorway and a classic Jordan 1 silhouette. I can't tell if they're worn. It looks like they might be because there is some like tiny bit of drag, I think, but I also have terrible vision, so I'm not 100% sure. There you go, size 10.5. Band mids. Now we get into SBs. It's a silver box, 2 pink boxes, a tape box, and a black box. We'll get the black box out of the way first because that's one of my least favorite eras. It's a size 9 Dunk Low Premium SB. This is a shoe I've been seeing a lot of lately, actually. Comes with the extra laces. These are the Hawaii Dunk Low SBs. Really, really great pair. Got patent leather, got suede, got regular leather. This is just a really, really well done colorway. They did a Hawaii release that was non-SB in like the early 2000s, and this was like the follow-up, I guess you could say. But again, there's a tiny bit of heel drag, a little bit of star loss, but still really good condition and just a really great colorway. Size 9 Hawaii Dunk Low SB. Comes with extra laces too and the original box. Cool. Things are looking up. Tape box era. Size 8.5. Oof. Nike Dunk Low Premium SB. This is a not great era too, but this is probably the best shoe in terms of resale value and hype of the entire era. These are the Supreme Red Cement Dunk Lows. These came out in like 2000 and I want to say 12 or 13 or something like that, in a very, very bad era of Nike SB, but this was like one of the like 5 shoes that did really, really well. These are in phenomenal shape actually, considering a little bit of heel drag, a little bit of star loss, not too much. They just need cleaned up. These have a lot of value. I know Seth Fowler bought a pair of these like 3 or 4 years ago and paid a decent amount for them, so I'm sure the value on these is really good. Size 8.5, not a great size, but still, good shoe. Supreme Dunk Low SB. I'm gonna do the silver box first, because it looks like a high. Dunk High Pro SB, ooh, Supreme, in a size 9.5. Which colorway is this one? Nice. So this is another worn pair. Good amount of star loss, good amount of heel drag, but one of the more classic Dunk Highs. This is the University Blue Supreme Dunk High SB from 2003 or 4 or something like that. It comes with the extra laces. The outsole wear is up there, I will say that, but it does come with original insoles. It's got the little thingy thing there, I forget what it's called, but there's a little bit of separation right there, which is gonna happen for a shoe this old, but dang, yeah, these are going for a lot too, so this box is showing why it's $3,100 pretty quickly. There you go. Size 9.5, Dunk High SB Supreme, the blue ones. Pink box. They both look like lows, so that's good. 9.5 Dunk Low Pro SB. This is a pair I had up until recently and someone finally bought them. These are the Dark Mocha Dunk Low SB, or some people call them mochachinos. Comes with the extra laces. It's like basically an all brown pair. There is some sole separation right there, which again, 2004, 2005, it's gonna happen. Insole wear is pretty minimal. Outsole wear, pretty good. There's a little bit of star loss on the forefoot, a little bit of heel drag, but not too much. Great shoe. Definitely a fall themed shoe. So, yeah, there you go. Size 9.5. Dunk Low SB. Gonna be honest, I pumped myself up for this box so much, I'm a little bit kind of meh about it. Size 9.5. This is your last pair. 9.5. Dunk Low Pro SB.
Whoa! Okay. Whoa.
Now I see why this box is a lot of money. Dang, these are probably in the best condition of all the shoes. Comes with extra laces too. This is the collaboration with Stussy. This is the Neapolitan, or Stussy Cherry as they call it. I used to have a pair of these and I sold them and they were pretty beat and they still sold for $1,200. So a shoe in this condition, I mean, there's not like any like goofiness going on in the nubuck here. Wow. Dang, this is a really, really great way to end this box. Size 9.5, Stussy Cherries. You can see there's significantly less star loss than the other ones. Not much separation or anything. Dang, this is a really good way to end the box. Size 9.5, Stussy Dunk Low SB, and that is a $3,100 Sole Supremacy beater box. I was under the assumption it was gonna be all SBs. Even though it wasn't, I still think this box absolutely whips butt. But let's see what the numbers say right now. Yeah, excellent box in my opinion. I'm kind of glad I spent the money on this because I think the return is going to be really, really good. If you're interested in buying any of these shoes, they will be available on my website today at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that website is sbmitch.com. Before that happens, all the worn shoes are going to be cleaned and disinfected with the Resjuvenator family of products, and you can save 10% off your next Resjuvenator order by using my code SBMitch10 at checkout because it'll save you 10%. Did I say that already? Just use the code and it'll save you money, I guess. Hey, thanks for watching. I appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch this video because you could be doing other things with that time. And the fact that you took 10 minutes out of your life to watch this video is cool. And just remember, you can't get those 10 minutes back. Hey, we'll see you next time. Till then, remember to keep sneakers fun because they're supposed to be fun. Bye!